Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today your lower body is going to be on fire because that's what we are focusing on, a lower body session. We are going to focus only on 4 exercises which will literally make you sweat for next 1 hour. Also, I'm going to start with Bulgarian splits. If you're new to this exercise, I would recommend you to do it just with your body weight. Once you are comfortable and you have a correct form, then you can switch to dumbbells, and the advanced one would be switching to barbells. So let's straight get into the warm-up now. Never skip on your warm-ups, and we are going to start with hip openers, outward circle. I'm going to do each side 10 reps for all my warm-ups, and then we're going to do an inward circle for the other leg. The next warm-up would be leg swings. The next we'll do is 10 body weight squats. Moving on to our third warm-up, side to side lunges. Again, 10 on each side. 9, 10, 10. The next one we're going to do is calf walk. So basically you put your leg in the front, stretch, and then bend down. Front, stretch. And the next exercise we're going to do is Bulgarian split squats. I have put the padded roller here, so it's easy for me to support my ankle. It's exactly at my knee height, which is the perfect height, what I feel comfortable in. You can also see people doing it on the bench. I'll just show you an example. So this is the bench here. You'll see people doing this and doing this way. You can do it that. If you want to feel more comfortable, you can also rest your ankle here and then do it like this. But I'm going to do it there. I literally have love-hate relationship with this exercise. Okay, now how to know where to place your foot? Sit on the bench or the bar, wherever, and extend your leg. That's the place where your step should be, and your other leg should be here at the back. 6, 7, 8. Usually for all my exercises, I take up to 1 minute of break. But especially on leg days, I take up to 2 minutes, and that's what is exactly going to happen today. I have increased the weight. I'm on 12 kg right now. And again, I'm going to do 8 sets with this. Okay, let's start. 1. I want you to have a slight bend here and not be straight. 10. We're doing the other leg. 9. 10. The plan was to do 8 reps, but I could easily do 10, then why not? We're going to increase the weight again. We're going to make it 14 kg each dumbbell. But before that, need to take some rest. Again, I'll focus on 8 reps. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, this is heavy. I have increased the weight again. Now we're going to do 16 kg. Again, let's focus on 8 reps. 7, one more. 8. Oh. Other leg. 4. Okay. Moving on to our next exercise, we'll be doing RDLs, Romanian deadlift. We're going to start with just the bar, a warm up for 1 set, and then keep adding weights. So let's start just with the bar. So there are 2 types of grips. Either you can do an over grip or you can do an alternate grip. Okay, I usually do with the lighter weights, I go with over grip, and then with heavier weights, I alternate grips each set. So I'll show you the form. So you need to keep your foot shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward, and then go low, rubbing the bar on your shins here. Take your hip back, bend at the knee, and as soon as you feel a stretch in your glute, come up. If you go further lower than that, you're just going to strain your lower back, which we don't want. 3, 9, 10. Now we're going to start adding weight. Again. Okay. 9, 10. That was easy. Let's add weight. I think I'll add 10 kgs again. 2, 7, 8. Guess what? I'm adding more weights. So this is the first time I'm ever going so heavy on my deadlift, but let's try. This is also our last set, so I'm just going as much as heavy as possible. But I literally never push myself to go very heavy on deadlifts and barbell squats because these two exercises I feel are very high injury risk. So I always push during other.
So my mic just went off here. I didn't even realize that. The only thing I'm going to do is reduce the weight to 60 kgs because I always believe better form is more important than lifting heavier.
For 2 minutes, foot shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward, alternate grip, elbows right next to your knees here, and then rub the barbell on your legs here and then you lift it up. So it will be like this. I'm literally exhausted, done for the day. Can we just go home? No, we have 2 more exercises. The next one is a superset and then a finisher. Superset is the only thing I'm really not looking forward to, but let's get into it. Now we're going to focus on a superset. Superset is something जहाँ पे आप 2 exercises साथ में करते हो और फिर break लेते हो और फिर दोनों exercises perform करते हो and then you again take a break. The first exercise is a single leg hip thrust using a dumbbell. So basically I'll put a dumbbell here and I'll push through this knee, right knee, and it will be like this. The second superset exercise we'll be doing is a step up using a dumbbell. So basically, I'll be holding a dumbbell either in this hand, or you can place it here. Anything and everything is fine. And you just have to step up. I also use a little bit of support for the correct posture and form. So, but I don't hold on to it and I pull myself just for a support so that I can balance myself well. And I'll just lightly hold it and go very slow. Okay? And while you're coming back, also the movement should be very slow. Never push through your back leg up and down. That's you're just bouncing up and down. That won't work your glutes. Honestly, I'm so tired. Okay, let's place it here. Oh. Let's move to the other leg. 8. Okay, I'm going to focus on 8 reps. Good enough. So I'm using a 7.5 dumbbell. Let's go with the left leg first. 8. is on fire right now. Also my quads. The other side. 7, 8. So initially I was using 14 kgs. I increased the weight to 20 kgs. I was feeling it's too light, but I think I can do 20. I've done 30 also, but today is not the day. The other leg. Okay. It's more like an explosive movement on the top. 8. I'm going to go for a 2-minute rest. Walk around the gym. Are you guys someone who walks during the rest time around the gym, or do you sit on your phone? Mention in the comments and let me know. I completely forgot there's no rest. We have to finish the second exercise. My bad, sorry. Also, I have increased the weight to 10 kgs now. Initially, I was using 7.5. I felt 8 reps were too easy with that. 7. 8. The other side. 8. So this is the last set for our superset, and I'll actually try going 10 reps instead of 8 because I was finding 8 a little bit easier. So I'm going to push hard for our last set, and then just one more exercise. We're done. 9. 10. The other leg, okay. 8. Never throw the dumbbells, but I'm just too tired and the space around me is empty. Just be aware of your surroundings. Before we move on to our next exercise, we're going to do step-ups. I want to say this. If you're a beginner, or if you're taken a long break from your fitness journey and then you're getting back into it, I would just be like, I can't speak. Okay, need a break. Okay, need to finish this exercise and then I'm going to talk. 7. Oh, okay, we increased 2 reps for this, right? 8. Okay. 9. 10. Okay, the other side, quickly. Sometimes your brain wants you to stop, but that's the time where you decide you're going according to the plan and you push through. You push through that last rep, you push through that last set, and you push through that last exercise, whatever it takes. So what I was trying to say earlier was that if you're new to fitness, or if you're trying to come back to your fitness journey, you have taken a long period of break, probably 6 months or 1 year, or you had pregnancy या pregnancy के बाद fitness journey फिर से शुरू करना चाहते हो, ease into your routine slowly. Don't force yourself. Don't have higher expectations. If you were lifting 100 kgs earlier, you won't be able to lift 100 kgs the first day. Your muscle has a memory. It will come back to it slowly, but just give it time. Now we are moving on to our next exercise, which is an elevated squat using a dumbbell, and it's going to be a drop set. What is a drop set? Basically, you drop weights each set, but you don't take a break. So you're doing 10 kgs, 10 reps, then you drop 8 kgs, 10 reps, then you drop 6 kgs, 10 reps, then you drop. So without any break, you do 4 sets. Let's quickly get into this one. So I'm going to start with 16, 14, 12 and 10. So I've placed the plate to elevate my heels. And we're going to start with 16 kgs. And go. 10. I usually go heavy when I'm just doing without a drop set. So now we're going to go with 14 kg. 1, 2, 9, 10. When you're doing a drop set, you're supposed to go to failure. Now we're going to do 12. Again, till failure. 1, That's about it for today, guys. I literally thought I'll work out for 1 hour, but मुझे workout करते करते 1.5 घंटा हो गया है. I'm sweating. It was such a killer workout. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about this workout, and are you guys going to give it a try? If you do, I would love to hear how do you feel after the workout. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.